Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm gonna go over getting more turbo sounds from the wastegates. Instead of having it vent back to the system, we're gonna vent to atmosphere. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove these two hoses. I recommend doing this when the car is cooled, cold. You're gonna remove these clamps, take these off, and then I'm gonna use these to cover up the holes that are gonna be open from the air intake on both sides. And then when you get into boost and you let off and the turbo is letting off the extra pressure, we should hear it. So I'm currently videoing by myself, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove these hoses. And all right guys, so I used like a little bird beak and I got the clamp off. I managed to get this side off, but if you look down, there's another clamp down here that we need to get to take the hose off the intake side, and this side will be finished. All right, so I got both hoses off. Right, the first one is very easy to come off. I'd recommend using a tool like this or one of these tools here to get it off of this part, because it's based on the angle, it's kind of hard to use a bird beak to get down there. And once you get it off, you just yank it towards you, kind of shimmy it off. Now, the hardest part of it was this one right here. For some reason, it's seized on the wastegate right here. So we had to spray some WD-40 to kind of get it off. And right here was very difficult as well because of the location. We had to use the tool that I showed you before to get this side off and pull. And once you get it off, you have to just yank it towards you and it will come right off. So now I'm gonna use these. I got these from Home Depot for $4. You put it on here to prevent dirt from dropping into the air tank, and you put it right there and the job should be done. I'll show you when I'm finished. All right guys, so we are all done. As you can see down here, I put the rubber tip on the air intake right there and right here. And yeah, we're all done. We should hear more push sounds, and you will have to do until we get the blow-off valves delivered. See you in the next video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Comment below what you'd like to see on the channel, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.